Hi, welcome to another part of 3 Simple Steps by Basics, and I hope you've been able to learn something, or at least maybe been able to pick up some dance skills throughout this past few parts that we've been showing. Well, let's just get straight to it. So here we're going to go into step 1. You can see that in step 1 that I have done lean back movement like this, and let's break it down with the legs first. All right, so here we start with the leg. I'm going to start with my right leg. You can see the video is flipped, and that's because we hope that you can follow just by looking directly through the video without having to figure out which is left, which is right. So here we go. I'm going to start with my right knee. I'm going to lift up my right knee like this, and when I lift up the knee, when you lift up that knee too, you're going to feel it, or you're going to lean back a little bit like this. All right, so that helps you lean back. It's not actually so much of leaning by yourself, but it's also a natural balancing reaction that your body does so that you stay on your feet balanced. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go right, left, right, right. Okay, if you remember, or if you have watched the previous part, we did a right, left, right, right, and a left, right, left, left step. I think it was this. Right? Okay, so this occurs quite often in dance, hip hop especially. We're gonna go right, left, right, right, and left, right, left, left, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And what I'm doing with my hands here is that I'm gonna imagine there's a wall that I'm pushing against, like this, like this, like this, like this. When we put it together with the legs, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, if the video is moving too fast, you can rewind. You can always rewind and rewatch the parts that you missed out, and take your time to learn. Don't give up. Be patient. You will get it. All right, just don't give up. All right, so here we go with count. We're going to count slowly. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's 1 bar for you. We have completed the first step, and we're going to go into the second step. In the second step, it's also a lean. If you notice, I lean back like this, like this. It's not a sideways lean. If I'm leaning sideways, it's just going to look like this. But I'm leaning back, so you see a dimension that my body turns. Lean, lean, and then I'm going to just kick straight out, like this. You don't have to bend your knee and kick. So from the side view, it's going to look like this. Lean back, kick, kick. Okay, what I'm doing with my hands is that when I kick out, on the same side, the hand snaps out. And snap. Let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now when you lean, it helps that when you bend your knee, it makes the move look bigger. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go into step 3. Step 3 is where I put my foot down, which is the first count. 1, 2. And number 2, I step back. It's a cross backwards. You don't have to cross all the way this way. You can just do a slight cross backwards will do. All right. So you just need to stomp down with your heel, or rather just point down with your heel. 2 counts here. When we count it, when we put it in counts, it's going to look like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 3 is mainly footwork. I'm not going to include lots of hand movements because I feel that step 3 footwork is already a little bit complicated because a lot of crossing and counting. So let's let the hands do natural movements. So what I'm going to do with my hands is I'm just going to swing it out like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it with count slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. When you combine all the steps together, the part where it joins, you just need to take note that when I finish step 1 here, as I put the foot down, it helps me to lean back this side. So let's start from step 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. As the foot goes down, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then put this foot down as a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, from step 2, as step 2 combines to step 3, we end step 2 with this. As the foot is up, let's get ready for that count. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's put the whole thing together. I'm going to count slowly. You can just follow along through the video. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So look at me now, kid. Look at me now, kid. I never thought that I'd be where I am when I wasn't who I is, but I refuse to quit. So look at me now, kid. Look at me now, kid. Again. Never thought that I'd be where I am when when I wasn't who I is, but I refused to quit. So look at me now, kid. Look at me now, kid. Yo. It's like privilege revoked, a legitimate son to higher hopes. Swinging on a dream of gold rope, gotta stay awoke. And there's no better he knows. His rose-colored glasses like wide-eyed kaleidoscope. Hood sweater clothes, not the kind.